Hello everyone, today I will show you how to block someone on TikTok profile without them knowing. And here's how it's done. Launch the TikTok app. I am on an iPhone, but the procedure is the same for Android users. Once you're in the app, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. The first step is to disable profile views. Click on the two little feet icon in the top right corner, then select the gear icon in the corner and switch off profile view history. This means that when you check someone's profile, TikTok won't register that you have viewed it. Remember, the only way to block someone is by going to their profile. So with profile views disabled, navigate quickly to the account of the person you wish to block. Tap the share button in the top right. Select block and confirm your choice. Because you have turned off profile views, they won't know that you have visited their profile prior to blocking them. Once you block them, you can go back to your profile, tap the two-feet icon again, and turn profile view history back on. This way, they will remain unaware that you checked out their profile before blocking them. And that is everything you need to know about how to block someone on TikTok profile without them knowing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.